Hello, everybody. It's Dr. Carmen Bryan, and this is Car Chronicles. How you guys doing? You ready? Let's do this. So let's talk about word salad. You guys hear it a lot, talking about the narcissist and the word salad. But first, allow me to say where originally that term word salad comes from. Word salad in the world of psychiatry, mental health is it's like a play of word or phrases, unintelligible words and phrases put together, which usually marks an advanced stage of schizophrenia. They're saying a bunch of stuff, they're putting stuff together, putting words together, they're rhyming, they're not rhyming. It just makes no sense what they're saying. Okay, so now let's fast forward it. Now, using word salad when you're dealing with a narcissist is basically you being gaslighted, and they'll put a play on words. For example, you may ask them, have you committed adultery on me, right? Have you cheated on me? What they'll do is they'll use the right now. I haven't cheated right now because I'm with you right now. They don't say that part, but they'll say no, because you didn't go back and specify what you were talking about. So this is the wordplay in their minds. Well, you didn't specify, but they won't say it to you. Keep in mind. Or they'll do things like circumstantial of tangential speech or thought. Usually thought means that something's wrong mentally. Well, with a narcissist there is. Circumstantial speech is if you actually ask them a question and they talk in circles around the topic. So they're circumstantial speaking. They're talking in circles around the topic to get to the topic, but it kind of leads you off track. It just leads you in a circle. You never get to an answer. Tangential speech is when they go on a tangent. You ask them a question, and it's almost like a person that has ADHD. If you talk to them, they go on a tangent. Their thoughts are already racing ahead of them. But for a narcissist, they're always trying to think ahead of you anyway. But anytime you confront them or you ask them a question, you say something, they can go on a tangent. Tangential speaking. They start off on the topic, and then they go way off in left field, and eventually it never ends positively because it always ends back with you. It always ends back with you doing something, or somehow or another you have become responsible for what you're confronting them about. You may ask them a question about cheating or anything else, and they don't like your tone. So the whole conversation switch over, you don't have to talk to me that way. Or why are you asking me that question like that? You can change the way and then it becomes a topic of how you talk to them. And this is what I'm talking about, which has nothing to do with the topic that you want. Blame shifting, gaslighting, projecting, stonewalling. All of a sudden, they're the victim. You're no longer the victim. They're the victim because of the way you talk to them. You could have asked the question differently, though. They put you on defense. So they'll ask a question or they'll say something crazy. And then when you elevate it to their level, all of a sudden, what's wrong with you?